Sirikan County ma Migori osingo ni chenro margi mar loso bajet ibitim e yo ma huyanga. Mabiro bang' report nyiso ni County ma Migori okosebedo ka pedho e lela kaka gisebedo ka gitiyo kod omenda mar bajeta. Nonro ma otim kod Kenya County Budget Transparency Survey mar higa mar 2022 yango ni County ma Isiolo, Kajiado kaachiel kod County ma Wajir bende gin moko kuom counties ma okosebedo ka pedho e lela kaka bajet margi tiyo kaluwore gi lipot makamano. County ma West Pokot, Makueni, Kwale, Kitui kaachiel gi County ma Nyeri opuo kaka counties mane oyango e lela bajet maggi ne oganda e hiko omenda mar 2021-2022. A County ma Migori ne ose ni okoketo ayanga bajet margi e mbui mondo oganda one.
Migori County, and I'm delighted on behalf of the County Assembly of Migori that this was a very healthy engagement. We've had very fruitful discussions on the way forward and those grey areas to be ironed out so that we can move on. I'm also very proud that the CSOs have also agreed to partner with us in making sure that information gets to the public at the local level.
We started availing. So I think it came out clearly that it was due to failure to have those documents on display to the public in a good time that resulted to that. And that's why we are committing that henceforth that will be a thing of the past.
It's a big concern and a worry where government budget documents are not available online because the government is not supposed to make just this document for their own consumption. It's for the public consumption. So sometimes we have people who are even outside this county, but they have interest in this county. The only way for them to access this document is through the website.
Akawa diweche matimore e County Mabusia en ni rumbi mar lit